Hi everyone. We have the fifth class for integration. We want to evaluate this, but this is the first problem we have for definite integrals. Yeah. Um, this one is the integral symbol. Then what you have here, the function is called the integrand. The integral, the integrand. Here is the integral function. Here is the variable of differentiation. All right. We have two cases here. We have f of x dx. Let me say L1, L2. Okay, so L2. Okay. When you have a function like this or a case like this in integration, this is called indefinite integrals, indefinite integration. And for this one is definite. Okay. This one, the reason it is called definite, because there are limits. Here is the lower limit, here is the upper limit. Yeah, that's why I said this one is greater than this one. And in actual sense, this one has to be greater than this. But the question is, what if you have a case wherein, let's say this is 2, this is 1? Well, we don't integrate a case like this. But what happens if you have a situation like this? Well, you have to swap them. Yeah, you need to swap them. The lower has to come down, the bigger goes up. But doing this one, you have to give it a minus. I hope that point is clear. So this one is the lower limit, the one that is down here. This one is the upper limit. Yes. So this is like finding an area of infinite. Yes. Here, find an area of what? A finite. So this one is definite. This one is indefinite. So the one with definite, we call it what? Is the one with lower limit to upper limit. So it's like integrating this from this to this. Integrating this. So when you are integrating this, this is the point we say plus c. But here we don't say plus c. So let us understand that. Okay. Now we want to integrate this one. The first one here is a very, very simple one. We are to integrate 5x plus 2 dx from 1 to 3. These are the limits. So when you want to integrate this, do the same thing you integrate when there were no limits. Perform the same integration like when there were no limits. The difference will come later. So let's see. This is 5x. The power is 1. When you want to integrate basically algebraic function, you add 1 to the power. Then the new power is what you bring down. 1 plus 1 is 2, so you bring it down. Plus. When you are integrating a term, a value that does not contain what comes immediately after d, that one is a constant term. So integrating a constant term, simply give it this variable. So what if there were no limit? We say plus c, then this will become 5x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. This would have been the final answer. If there are no limits, then you do this one, you simplify. Where necessary, you say plus c, final. But this one comes with limits. So because it comes with limit, we don't stop here. So what is the difference? This one goes away. Yeah, this one goes away because there are limits. We don't need this. But what next do we do? You say from 1 to 3. From 1 to 3. This one is the upper limit. This one is the lower limit. So the next thing we do is to perform what? Substitution. But we need to substitute this one first. So this is 5 multiplied by x. What is x? 3 squared over 2 plus 2x. What is x? 3. We have utilized the upper limit. always say minus. Always say minus. Now we use 1 to substitute again. 5 into x, which is now 1 squared over 2 plus 2x. What is x? 1. So you first substitute the upper limit. You say minus, you substitute the lower limit. Once you understand this, I believe anyone that comes, it should be able. The challenge will only be what? The nature of the function that you have. Is it algebraic? Is it logarithmic? Is it exponential? Okay. So this is 3 squared is 9. 3 squared, 9. 9 times 5, 45. So 45 over 2 plus 6 minus. So 1 squared is 1. 1 times 5, 5. 5 over 2 plus 2 times 1, 2. I hope it is clear. So this is 1, this is 1. This is just like normal fractions now. The LCM here is 2. Into itself is 1 times 45, 45. Into 2 is 2 times 6 is 12. The LCM here is 2. Into itself 1. 1 times 5, 5. Into 2 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. So we have 57 over 2. Is that clear? Minus 9 over 2. So we have 2. 57 minus 9. 57 minus 9 is 48 over 2. So what is 42 over 2? Is 24. So this is the integral we have with limits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in my next video.